What's up guys, today I have Airpods Pro 2nd gen and I'm opening the box and giving my reviews, which I already used for a couple days, but I'm opening another one to show you like what it comes with and all the features it has. So let's remove this tape. It has a great audio quality with a high dynamic range amplifier, and of course with the active noise cancelling feature, and the vent system for pressure equalizer and Bluetooth technology with 5.3 wireless technology, which is good. So let's open it and try to connect it with the iPhone. So as you can see here, now it's telling to press the button in the back here. You see this button? You have to press it to connect right here. Now it says connecting. These are the latest AirPods Apple released, and it's asking for Hey Siri, so we'll set up later. So once we go in the settings, you click here at the AirPod, and here you can see Airpods Pro 2nd gen, the name. So anyway, I will just talk about the features. It has all the sensors like the previous model, like dual performing microphones. One is inward facing and the other one is on the side. And also it has skin detecting sensors, of course, and the motion and speech detecting sensors on the side. Like once you put it on into your ear, it detects and it turns on or connects automatically once you have connected. Now let's talk about these buttons at the bottom. So once you can see the flat part right here. So if you press it once, so you can answer the call, or you can pause the video or play the video if it's already paused, just by pressing this button once. So if you press it twice, you can skip the video that you are playing. You can skip forward by pressing it twice. Right here you can see the flat part, so you press twice to skip it. And if you press it 3 times, you skip backward. Actually, if you're watching a YouTube video or something and skip back, you press it 3 times, so 1 2 3, it will skip backwards. And if you press and hold, you can switch between the active noise cancellation and the adaptive transparency. So if you press and long, press and hold. And of course you can swipe up and down to adjust the volume, and you can also say Hey Siri to do things like make a call or to get direction and stuff. And it has Apple H2 headphone chip and Apple U1 chip in this MagSafe charging box. And obviously they are sweat and water resistance. I'm not saying dip them in the water, but they're sweat and water resistance. And the battery lasts about 6 hours of listening time with a single charge, so it's pretty good timing. And if you run out of battery and if you just charge it for 1 minute, it can 5 minutes, it can give you 1 hour listening time just for charging 5 minutes into the charging box. So it comes with a type C to lightning cable, and also it comes with the extra the headphones to fit in your ear if you have a bigger or smaller ear. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching.